Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. It's Juju, and I'm here with our January junk journal for day number 29, and that is geometric shapes. So I did this, used texture paint and some grungy paint so it would go with our grungy over here. And I did a stencil that had the little cubes and hexagons and stuff on it, and used the texture paint for that, and then put the mica spray, homemade sprays that I did and stuff over that. And I carried it over to this theme part here on the back, because this is the base up under it is one of these that I did some spraying and Mod Podge and stuff on to make the paper, reinforce it and make it that fake rice paper. And I just glued it on the back to continue that and put a little collage here, and then moved it over onto this one, and then I used the clock and the travel and stuff on this one for our day tomorrow to introduce it. So that is what I did for this one, and I had a ball doing it. It was fun, and I just layered and layered and layered. This has, I don't know how many colors of paint on it, and the Mod, I just went to town on it. Just had a very good time, and I hope you're enjoying it. Till next time, bye. Love you.